Hey love bugs. I went blue and I am so in love. Today I've teamed up with Szchair and they specialize in the most fabulous colored wigs. Today they sent me over this beautiful 26-inch 13 by 4 body wave lace wig. And as you can see, she is no ordinary body wave wig. This one here is absolutely amazing. She came with this beautiful blue ombre. I have never experienced something so fire. It's like a periwinkle blue in the front, or maybe even a powder blue. You got the electric or like the cobalt blue right in the center, and you go down to the bottom and you have this beautiful navy blue color. I am blown away. As I mentioned, this one is 26 inches in length. She has the perfect layer, and I love the fact that it is like the perfect density where you have your fullness but it's not too thick and heavy, which will give you this overwhelming like cheapy look, if you will. She is done in the most classy way. As I mentioned, this is a 13 by 4 frontal free part, if you will, and so I did a nice little side part. I did micro baby hair along the hairline for the perfect melt, and chef's kiss. 10 out of 10. There's nothing I could change about this gorgeous girl. She even came with like a light layer in the front for the perfect bang. And I could sit here and tell you all the things I love about this one, or you can see it throughout the video yourself. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the video. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have a direct link down below. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, love bugs, it's time to get started on a new hair tutorial. Before we get started, happy Monday to me. Happy whatever day it is, whenever, wherever you are watching this in the world. Special shout out to my son, Kid Diamond. Today he is 10, officially in the double digits, and it's so exciting because it's such a milestone birthday. I'm so grateful to be his mom and to have been raising him for the last 10 years. It's definitely been an experience and a journey that I am so grateful for, and I love him so much. He probably won't see this because he doesn't watch my hair tutorials, but I love my baby. So happy birthday to my beautiful, handsome Taurus. Anyways, today we are teaming up with Szchair. This is the dust bag that the wig came in. You guys may have seen the mermaid style wig that I did maybe a week or two ago, or depending on whenever you've seen this video, for sure in April. Today I have another colored wig. That is what they specialize in, the colored wigs, and so I'm super excited. They did include in the package a pack of HD wig caps. They also included the pink baby hairbrush, a pack of 3D mink lashes, super nice. And then they included this, which I took it from the last pack and I'm gonna take it again from this one. It's like a little mini puff. It's literally a finger size, so it goes on your finger. Again, they gave me one in the last video and it's perfect for like getting in there really good and setting. And it's not, I don't know what material it is, but it's super soft. But whatever this is, I am in love. This was the first time I've ever seen these little puffs and I love them so much. So I'm definitely gonna put this one aside to add to my makeup bag. Thank you. But here is the star of the show. As always, their wigs come in like a disinfectant bag like this to keep it safe. And this one lets me know this is a 13 by 4 body wave 26-inch lace wig. So we got little inches. Definitely got some inches. And again, this company specializes in the colors, so we are kicking it off early in the spring with the beautiful vibrant colors, and they most certainly do an amazing job at giving you that color. So if this is your jam, or if you know somebody who loves the colored hair, definitely send them my way to this video, and then they can click the link in the description box and see. This right here is my favorite color blue, like that beautiful soft powdery like periwinkle blue. I don't know if it reads that color up here for you guys or on camera, but it's like a periwinkle blue. Then it kind of goes to like more of a, would you call this like an electric or maybe a cobalt blue, royal blue, if you will. And then it goes all the way down to a beautiful blue black, or not even a blue black, this is a navy. Really nice, and I think they did a great job ombreing it. I most certainly wouldn't have been able to do this myself. Here is a look at the inside construction of the cap. We're rocking with free part lace. You'll be able to part any and every way you'd like. They hooked us up with the combs on the inside, one at the top center, two on the sides, and then one at the nape. In addition to that comb in the nape, we do have the adjustable strap and some excess lace. She should be the girly who likes to bond her wig in the back, or down in the back. Leave a little extra of this down, that way you have a little bit of space to be able to spray it down, glue it down, whatever you like. And the icing on the cake is that it did include the adjustable, did I say adjustable and removable elastic band. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my lace together. I'm gonna cut off the excess lace in the back, adjust the straps in the back, and adjust that elastic band. And we're gonna go ahead and put her on. Okay, love bugs, this is what she looks like on. I love the way the blue hits against my skin. Again, I love the ombre effect. It's very much a punch. I will state the most obvious point with this one. This one most certainly is not your work safe corporate America type of wig. You would most likely not wear this to teach Sunday school or kindergarten. And I mean, maybe in some areas, I'm from California, so you know, we're very free spirit here, but maybe in some situations this will be appropriate. But again, in corporate girlies, this may not be an everyday wig. This may be your weekend joint. But of course, for us entrepreneurs, I definitely will show up in something like this. It's kind of slightly parted. It's not like super duper stamped, but where the way it is parted, you can see that you get a really good amount of parting. That actually looks like about 6 inches of parting space. Since they already kind of have it to the side, I think I'm gonna go to the side. I'm just trying to decide if I want to make it deeper or not. Here is what she looks like from the back. The density on this one is perfect. You definitely don't want something like this too thick and too heavy. You want it to flow, so you don't want just like this thick, like, and just very strong hair, if you will. So I do like the way it is. I think let's start off with the dynamic duo. I'm gonna leave the parting like it is for now. And yeah, I want to do the dynamic duo before I go ahead and cut off the lace, just to be sure I stamp it out how I like it. Okay, I got a little bit ahead of myself. You guys seen I did the dynamic duo, and look at how neat and sleek that made it. Just that little step. If you don't know by now, the dynamic duo is simply pairing a little bit of heat from an electric hot comb with something that's going to slick it down, cancel out any frizz, and just really give it that really good salon finish. This is how I get my wigs to look so laid and slayed. So even if we're frizzy and anything is going down beneath, that top is going to be laid for the gods. Now we're going to go ahead and cut off the excess lace, and we're going to tint the lace, and we're also going to spray it down. We're going to melt it down with the non-glue adhesive, and then from there we'll kind of check back in and see if we want to do anything before we go ahead and wand curl the ends. Okay, love bugs, quick little hack or update. I did go ahead and lay the hairline down, and then I opened it up a little bit by adding some micro baby hair. Now, I honestly think it's so micro, and because it's blue, you can probably barely see it. But if it was black, you would be able to see that. It looks like that natural baby hair. You know when people actually have like really short hair that doesn't grow at their hairline, hence what is called baby hair, that doesn't grow long, and it just lays wherever it wants when they do like their natural hairstyles. That's what it gives in person. It helps me to camo or conceal the hairline, if you will, in my opinion. So I went ahead and did micro baby hair. I was pulling hair forward because I was originally gonna do some very long and defined and, you know, boo baby hair. And then at the 11th hour, I decided, let's not. Because this is already such a loud and pronounced color. Like, let's not make it ghetto. Let's make it classy. And I'm not saying it's ghetto to have baby hair, because if that's the case, I'm very ghetto because I'm always gonna want some baby hair. But it's already such a loud color, and I think the, how do you say it, the cliche thing to do would be to do baby hair. So instead, I kind of like classied it up, if you will, and just added that micro baby hair. And again, it's a subtle flex because again, it just helps to keep the hairline a little bit more open and concealed, but it also gives me my little baby hair fix without doing too much. Again, you may not even be able to see it, but I see it and I love it. And I'm using the Ruby Kisses in the shade 16 in the parting and the hairline. I don't need nothing to be bright or pop. I need it to be very, very natural up front to give subtle. I feel like I'm getting a little bit of flashback on the side right there, so I'm going to try and counteract that. Normally the cream would do it, but because we're going with a lighter color hair, it's just never predictable of what will work. So we're going to set it with the shade 16 powder. We were already using the shade 16 in the cream foundation, and this is basically the corresponding like setting powder, if you will. So I like to do this, and I think that came out really good. Okay, now I feel like we are essentially done. You guys know my motto. Once the hairline is melted and laid and the parting is laid, we've done that dynamic duo, we've tinted the lace. I always feel like you can literally brush out the hair, and if you don't know how to curl, you can literally just go. But of course, you want to do a little something something. So I'm trying to decide if we want to do wand curls or a curling iron, and I think we're going to do wand because this is more of a natural density. You don't have to do too much. So we're going to do the 5-minute curls. You'll see here that this part here is a little bit more layered, if you will. So you can decide how you want to accentuate that, and then the rest of the hair is also a different length. So basically you can curl this up really tight. You can do something a little bit loose and relaxed. You guys know me, I'm never too pressed to be like too crazy, but I did do that waterfall up front. So let me just go ahead and play and just see what I come up with. Again, my kids are already at Great with Lodge having a ball, and I'm here with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and style this up really quickly, and as soon as I'm done, I am headed to be with my babies. Okay, love bug, this is the final look and I'm super excited. I thought I loved the original mermaid wig that I did from the same company about a week or two ago. This one here is so much my favorite. Now, first of all, blue is my favorite color. I love periwinkle blue, and then navy blue is my birthstone. So I get both in here and a little bit of fun in between. So this is like my person, like this is my soul. I'm a Virgo. This is my look right here when it comes to, like, I guess you could say like my alter ego and switching it up. But I love it. It came out absolutely beautiful, even better than I expected. If you are in the market for color, this is your girl. I absolutely love her. Chef's kiss, 10 out of 10. Okay, love bugs, I did it in a cute little clip up like this. You guys already know the drill. You just take your hair, you have it down, you're having fun, grab it, twist it, flip it, smack it up and flip it and rub it down, pop it in like this. Should you want a little bang, you got the bang, and you got a cute little updo. Super simple, quick, and easy. I am headed to Great Wolf Lodge to celebrate my son's birthday. He's gonna be so surprised when he sees me in this blue hair, but I'm definitely gonna be the coolest mom at the whole park, water park, hotel, whatever you want to call it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.